We should begin with what precisely Nano and its highlights are. Nano is a computerized installment convention that is intended to be lightweight and open. The attention is on eliminating the shortcomings present in other cryptographic forms of money. The point is to bring Nano crypto into individuals' day-to-day routines. Can Nano beat the market? Nano means to play out its blockchain exchanges in a lot quicker and more adaptable way than Bitcoin. It was likewise planned with new information structures and different components to acquire a few benefits over other computerized coins. The insignificant block size permits the Nano to do lightweight correspondence, in this way diminishing the exchange affirmation times, making it quicker. Without the conventional confirmation of work and mining, hubs utilize altogether less energy per exchange. It is, in that sense, a greener choice than the opposition. Nano involves a construction for each block which contains all the data about the bookkeeper by then. Each block likewise incorporates a little client-produced confirmation of work esteem, a QoS prioritization instrument permitting a periodic client exchange to process at quick rates. This exchange requires some investment and no time flat to be executed on current computer chips. This lightweight construction makes Nano ultra-quick. Nano additionally has an inventive agreement system called Open Agent Casting a Ballot. In this, a record can pick an agent to decide for the client's sake, regardless of whether the designating account itself is disconnected. These records are designed on hubs that stay online for a critical part of time and decision on the legitimacy of exchanges they see on the organization. This is one more element of the Nano coins which separates them from the opposition. With no direct money-related motivator for the hubs, this makes a superior feature for the organization's decentralization. Nano digital currency, market feeling. Nano is a worked-on Bitcoin, one might say, with an emphasis on straightforward blocks that empowers quick exchanges. Basically, Nano stores exchange information in a block development, similar to blockchain-based more modest tasks. It is not difficult to refresh and get it utilizing this while likewise guaranteeing that blockchain usefulness is kept up with at max operation. Nano centers around giving an individual a more straightforward method for getting to Bitcoin innovation and entering their lives. Subsequently, the emphasis is more on adaptability and less on encryption advancements that empower unknown exchanges that are hard to follow. The advancement group needs to make exchanges quicker, guaranteeing that the innovation stays adaptable with less accentuation on security. Along these lines, the probability of the public authority attempting to boycott Nano digital money is essentially less. It very well may be conceivable that states themselves gain from this innovation and empower a computerized money in their own nations as a substitution for cash, like how the advanced yen was presented in China. Right now, it is challenging to buy Nano as it isn't commonly known. Be that as it may, what makes Nano noteworthy is its charge-less installments. We should investigate the conceivable crypto projections and figures for the Nano esteem from the business specialists. In view of our Nano cost expectation 2022, a drawn-out increment is normal. The Nano cost gauge for 2027 is $12.27. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 403.03%. The ongoing cost of Nano digital currency is exchanging above $2.41. According to our Nano cost estimate, the coin could stir things up around town value level of $2.99 and the most extreme value level of $3.39. The typical value level of Nano for the ongoing year may be around $3.18 according to our Nano cost expectation. In December 2022, the cost will be around $4.10, with a most extreme value level of $4.92. The base cost of Nano may be at its help levels around $3.44 for December 2022. The typical Nano cost for December 2022 is $4.18. Nano cost gauge toward the finish of December 2022 is $4.10. The value change would be 5%, as per our specialized examination on past value information of Nano. In 2022, the cost of Nano is anticipated to stretch around its obstruction level of $3.08. The Nano cost can arrive at the greatest cost degree of $3.62 with a typical cost of $3.20 according to our momentary conjecture. The Bollinger Groups show that the unpredictability isn't acting insane right now, and the cost diagram is by all accounts keeping a decent sideways pattern. The RSI pointer is drawing closer, the oversold condition approaching 30 worth. On the off chance that the purchase signal is set off, the holding period ought to likewise integrate the sideways pattern and the probability of how postponed the sell sign will be. Because of somewhat less action in the Nano, it very well may be hard to precisely foresee where the sell sign ought to be. However long the sell is made over the help level, subsequently, it is really smart to early sell. How about we take a gander at the verifiable information of the Nano coin? We can see that the ongoing cost of Nano is not even close to the highs it had in the primary portion of 28. These value highs were galactic. and no measure of craziness ought to have had the option to drop the coin cost. Indeed, there is a justification behind that. At the outset, crypto costs were exchanging at all-time highs, with essentially every rendition of Bitcoin and comparable clones at a stunning cost on the lookout. According to the Venture Council from the Monetary Guides, the crypto costs are anticipated to be ill-fated in view of the absence of national banks to control it and having no real worth. This was trailed by enormous selling and a cost change as short dealers likewise began to dump the virtual monetary standards and sell Nano. Most would agree that assuming that the coin mirrors an upturn and returns to its record-breaking high, it would probably continue a pattern that other digital currencies will likewise continue on the lookout. In the above Nano USD cost diagram, there is a help level between $1.50 to $2. With momentary patterns enduring half a month, one might say that we just have a help level. There is no reasonable opposition level. However, if one somehow happened to frame an obstruction level, it would be close to $2.63. The typical cost level for the year 2022 is close $3.18 according to the Nano figure, while the ongoing cost is $2.46. For this situation, on the off chance that clients need to carry out specialized examination for exchanging, they can attempt to go for the gold floods past the help reach and accept their benefit when the spike is noticed, or they can have a go at holding for a long time and on the off chance that there is no cost instability, attempt to take their benefits there. The thought is to allow the unpredictability to settle prior to selling the resource. Swing exchanging methodologies could likewise be carried out subsequent to doing legitimate exploration and following the most recent news, specialized investigation, Nano value expectations, and market refreshes. Nano value forecasts, 2022 to 2026. Nano value forecasts are challenging to shape since the hidden central investigation isn't possible since it misses the mark on new inclusion. The advantages and disadvantages are strong. That is, it is extremely simple to execute. The exchanges are free with no secret charges. The framework is solid, and the advancement group is as yet buckling down on it. Be that as it may, the drawbacks are likewise there. Like, purchasing Nano is troublesome. Furthermore, the worthiness is non-existent since it isn't quite known external a little circle. This makes it truly challenging to project the Nano coin's future cost expectation. Additionally, in the crypto market, anything can occur because of gigantic unpredictability. Nano Value Forecast 2022. In view of the positive mechanical development, most would agree that it is feasible for the Nano cost to beat market returns till 2026 assuming the Nano cost rise arrives at the highs of 2018. All things considered, the probability of that occurrence additionally depends on the way that what drives the market for its reception. The cost could reach $3.39 in the year 2022. Nano Value Expectation 2023. In the year 2023, the most extreme cost could stretch around $4.05, least cost at $3.51, and the typical cost at $3.85. All the cost levels